Late nights in defiance, and a gifted mind for science. She built a new appliance that would change the world. Josephine's amazing, get a hot machine. You're going one and dirty, come out the other clean. Josephine amazing, get a hot machine. She went in a secretary, came out a beauty queen. A faceless corporation with a mind for innovation said Joe's an inspiration, a gift to humankind. Let's make this thing commercial with a late night infomercial. Now it comes in green and purple, battery supplied. Josephine's amazing, get a hot machine. You're going one and dirty, come out the other clean. Josephine's amazing, get a hot machine. She went in a secretary, came out a beauty queen. Everybody poor is getting rich, everybody lonely getting hit. All the sick are getting over it all. Every girl's a beauty queen, there's no way you can tell between. It's not the way that Josephine planned. Cause Josephine wanted to be something more than ordinary, not just another secretary girl. Late nights in defiance, and a gifted mind for science. She built a new appliance that would break the world. It was Josephine amazing, get a hot machine. World weren't meant to handle 5 billion perfect people. Josephine amazing, get a hot machine. Sometimes getting what you want can be the last thing that you need. Sometimes getting what you want can be the last thing that you need. Josephine machine. All over the world. Sometimes getting what you want can be the last thing that you need. Sometimes getting what you want can be the last thing that you need. Yeah. Last thing that you need.